Today I'm making a hearty and comforting crock-pot shepherd's pie. This recipe layers seasoned ground beef, vegetables, and my favorite creamy Yukon Gold mashed potatoes for an easy meal that's perfect for busy days, family dinners, or whenever you're craving a little comfort food. The best part is that everything comes together in the crock pot, giving the flavors time to blend while keeping dinner simple. Let's get started. I begin by browning the ground beef. Now I did do this in my crock pot. However, if you prefer to do it in a skillet over medium heat, that works as well. Once the beef is finished cooking, I add diced onion and minced garlic. The onion softens and the garlic adds wonderful flavor to the beef mixture. After everything is cooked through, I stir in 1 can of condensed tomato soup. Mix everything together until the beef is evenly coated. Next comes the vegetable layer. In a bowl, I combined 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup with frozen vegetables. Today, I'm using peas and corn, but carrots and green beans work wonderfully in this recipe too. Stir everything together until the vegetables are coated with the soup. Then spread that mixture evenly over the beef layer in the crock pot. At this point, we're already building those classic shepherd's pie flavors. Now for my favorite part, the mashed potatoes. I start with a 5-pound bag of Yukon Gold potatoes. For me, Yukon Gold potatoes are the key to really great mashed potatoes. They have a rich flavor and creamy texture that works perfectly in this recipe. After peeling the potatoes, I boil them until they're fork tender. Once they're fully cooked, I drain the water and return the potatoes to the pot. Then I add 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 package of cream cheese, and about 16 ounces of sour cream. Using a hand mixer, I blend everything together until smooth and creamy, although a few lumps are not a problem either. This is actually the same mashed potato recipe that I make for holiday dinners and family gatherings because it's always a crowd favorite. Rich, creamy, and full of flavor. Once the potatoes are ready, I scoop them over to the vegetable layer in the crock pot. Using a spoon, I gently spread the potatoes all the way to the edges. Now all of the layers are in place. The beef on the bottom, the vegetables in the middle, and a thick layer of creamy mashed potatoes on top. Place the lid on the crock pot and cook on low for at least 1 hour. You can let it go longer if needed, giving the flavors even more time to come together. After simmering, the shepherd's pie is ready to serve. Each scoop gives you a little bit of everything: savory beef, vegetables, and those rich Yukon Gold mashed potatoes. It's classic comfort food that's simple to make and always satisfying. I hope you enjoyed this easy crock-pot shepherd's pie recipe. If you love comfort food recipes like this one, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Time with Mary for more homemade meals, baking, gardening, and everyday life with my cats. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.